since 2013 you are offering the scope mount BASIS and BASIS Vario. What are the goals?
The goals of this modular rifle scope mounting system is for the hunters to change their optics within all their rifles. So you can use several optics on several rifles without going to the shooting range and re-zero it again and again and again. So this is the aim of this system.
And can you tell us about concrete advantages?
The concrete advantages are the 100% compatibility, the repeatability in 100%, the low cost for retrofitting more optics or more rifles. So it's all quality made in Germany. It's very easy to handle because you only have to close this clamp lever here, and these are the main advantages of this.
And how does it work?
The system works with a base rail on the rifle, which is always staying on the rifle, and on the other side you have a mounting rail for the optic, which stays on the optic. It's of course also not only for rings, it's also for Swarovski rail or size rail and so on. And if you put this optic on this base rail and you are turning this clamp lever, you see this movement of the optic. It is pulled downwards and pushed forward. So you always have the same positioning of the optic to the barrel, and you don't have any deviations in the shooting patterns or something else.
And what are the differences between BASIS and BASIS Vario?
Yeah, the first base rail is fixed on the rifle and is not adjustable. So on this you can use some or several optics, which means one for the raised hunt, one for the driven hunt or something else. And with the BASIS Vario, this is infinite adjustable. This means you have a side adjustment in the front from 1.5 meters to 100 meters, and in the back you have the height adjustment with an extender from minus 0.5 meters up to 2 meters. So this means that you can adjust the rifle to the optic from the second rifle, and so you can use one or several optics on several rifles.
And at IWA you are launching a brand new scope mount specifically developed for the needs of sporting shooters.
Yeah, that's right. It's called Mounting Rail BASIS TAC, and we designed the special challenges of sporting shooters into this mounting rail. So you have a very slim design for having a side of the scale for side adjustment or height adjustment of the optic. And of course you have interfaces for attachments like the reflex sights or Aimpoint micros or Vivo Picatinny rails. So these are the additional advantages of this mounting rail BASIS TAC.